Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation video. We are Group 7 and today we'll talk about manual coding versus AI coding. Before we begin, let's introduce our team members. I'm Kudus and joining me are Raihan and Dinar. In recent years, AI tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Tab9 have become really popular among computer science students. Even for beginners, these tools can generate code, fix bugs, and even build small programs in just a few seconds. However, while AI makes learning easier, depending too much on it can weaken our problem-solving skills and logical thinking. So, in this project, we explored how beginners can find the right balance between manual coding and using AI tools.
To understand this topic better, we conducted a small research project that included both literature review and an interview session. We interviewed two first-year students, Dewo Aji Fadila, who is learning Java in building his programming fundamental, and Fadlan Habibi, who's interested in UI UX design and digital creativity. Our interview question focused on their first experience using AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot, the main benefits they see from using AI in learning, the, the downsides or problem they face when relying too much on AI. And finally, how AI make change the way programming is. From their response, we found that AI tools are very helpful for debugging and faster learning, especially of beginner. But at the same time, students who really too heavily on AI often struggle to understand basic logic and algorithmic thinking when coding manually.
When did you first try using AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot for coding and how was the experience?
Okay, my first experience is on first semester, of course. I first tried using AI tools when I was working my university assignment. It helps me a lot to clear the problem in my coding, of course, and it was a great positive experience. AI also explained me the things clearly, so it gave me some examples and helped me to understand the topics faster.
Right, and the second one is, what do you think are the main benefits of using AI when learning to code?
Okay, if it's for coding, AI helps me to learn faster. It gives simple explanation like fix the mistakes and shows how to solve the problem. And also it gives many ways, not only one way. And after that, it saving many times because we don't need to look through many websites. And for me, it feels like having a private teacher.
Okay, the third question is, have you faced any problems or downside when relying on AI for coding tasks?
Okay, sometimes I rely too much on AI, but in the end, so it's not really clear the problem. But else AI also is not always correct, so I still need to check the code and understand the logic of the programming. If I depend on AI too much, it's not really good for my coding skills.
Next, the fourth question, how does learning by coding manually feel different from using AI assistants?
Okay, manual coding helps me to understand the logic better and make me think more deeply. But and it also improve my debugging skills and make me think more about the logical of programming. But it takes more time. Depends on using AI. Using AI make it faster and easier. But sometimes the understand of the logic is less. Uh, if not using the manual way to learn to code or programming.
Okay, next question. Do you think first year students should focus more on manual coding, AI assisted coding, or a balance of both?
In the first years, of course, I think manual coding is more important, but you should also learning with AI because AI can help it make it more quick. But I think you better to use AI to understand the manual logic. So learn the manual way with AI, not learn the AI way to do your assignment in the quick way.
Okay. Looking ahead, how do you see AI changing the way programming is taught in university?
I think universities will change the way they teach programming, of course. Instead of focusing on writing syntax, classes maybe will more focus on logic, problem solving, and understanding concept. After that, students may also learn how to use AI properly and check the answers. In the future, AI will be a normal part of our life of learning and, of course, in universities. But the strong of the fundamentals will be the main part of the important things in university.
When did you start first using AI, tools like ChatGPT or Copilot for coding? And how was the experience?
Okay, so I first use AI like ChatGPT in 12th grade to build a website, and it helped me a lot.
Second one, what do you think are the main benefits of using AI when learning to code?
Okay, so the main benefit for me of using AI for coding is that it helped me to understand what each function does and let me to evaluate the code better.
The third one, have you faced any problems or downsides when relying on AI for coding tasks?
Okay, so the problem I faced is that I always need to double check whether the information from AI is valid.
How does learning by coding manually feel different from using AI assistants?
Okay, so learning manually feels different because using AI as an assistant makes the learning process much easier for me.
Okay. The fifth question is, do you think first year students should focus more on manual coding, AI assisted coding, or a balance of both?
I think the best approach is a balanced combination of manual coding and AI assisted coding.
Okay, the last question is, looking ahead, how do you see AI changing the way programming is taught in university?
In my opinion, AI will change programming education a lot, even though we have concepts like vibe coding that show how learning is evolving. That's from me.
When comparing manual coding and AI assisted coding, we found that each method has its strength. Manual coding helps students think critically, build logic, and truly understand what's happening behind each line of code. It's slower, but it develops strong foundation. Meanwhile, AI assisted coding boosts productivity and helps students learn syntax or find error faster. However, it can also make them a bit lazy in problem solving if used too often. From our discussion and interviews, we concluded that the best approach is a balanced combination, using AI as a learning assistant, not a replacement for our own thinking. For first-year students, this balance is crucial to grow both technical understanding and creativity in coding.